In this video, we're going to show you how to take off the LCD from a 3G or 3GS. First thing is take out the two screws on the bottom. After removing the two screws from the bottom, you can either use a suction cup tool, take off the screen, but I actually don't like to use that tool since it can give you damage on your LCD cord. So what I do is I take a tweezers, stick it inside of the hole, and give it a push up. You see it's up a little bit, slide something inside, just give it a gentle push up. Usually I'd remove these two cables right here, but they were actually already off, probably from the impact. Slide up the flex cable. On a phone that has never been taken apart before, over here there'll be a black strip of tape. You're going to want to go underneath the tape to get at these screws right here. Also, there's another black piece on the other side. So on this side, there is two screws. Other side has three screws. And one screw right here on the top. When we take out the LCD, we want to be careful that we don't bend the frame, because if we bend the frame, it's going to be hard to get it back in when we slide the glass back onto the phone. So what I like to do is, I usually like to stick something on one of the sides. I just give it a little bit of space like that, you know. You can see it, just a little bit of space. Take it over here, just pull up gently. As you can see, it's already up, so I just want to take this out carefully, pull it down, get out of there, put in our new LCD, same way as when we took it out, slide it in, be careful not to push hard on it since you don't want to crack your brand new LCD. Once you got it in there, make sure that all the holes line up. 2 on this side, 3 on this side, and the last screw on the top. Next, first trick is put the digitizer cable behind the LCD cable. This cable, try to make it as straight as you can. Slide it in there really nice. If you have a hard time, grab a tweezers, try to push it in a little extra. Slide down the latch. Usually it's right here. Next, connect the screen. After that, connect the LCD. After it's in there, slide it down. And I like to push the top part of the screen down first, make it nice and flush. Kind of pushing the bottom, get it in there. So we want this nice and tight so that there's no gap. You know, as you can see, it's pretty good. And that's, oh, almost forgot. You always want to put in these 2 screws at the bottom. If you lose the 2 screws, don't worry. It's not really that big of a deal. And that's it.